Good morning, gurus. Welcome. Sorry, I punched the flowers. Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Jump in charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, put a turn on the bell. Bitcoin is pulling back a little bit. Let's see if it manages to hold on. Volume comes in and we start to pump. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And you can see Bitcoin coming down from 66,600 to 64,500 and then bouncing back. Let's go into the weekly. Always start off on the weekly time frames. I like to look at the stochastic first on the monthly and the weekly. The best time to buy something is when the stochastic is extremely oversold below the dotted lines on the monthly charts. The best time to sell something is when it's overbought on the monthly charts, the stochastic. So you can see now Bitcoin is actually overbought. So a lot of people are going long here and going heavy long, but we were going heavy long in 2022, 2023 at 16K. So in my opinion, be very careful. Monthly stochastic still turning up, squeeze mob still green. Let's go into the weekly. Stochastic turning back up. So there is bullishness signs. Crypto Guru Bot still firing a blue buy back on February 2023. Still a blue buy now. Hasn't flipped to red sell. Stochastic turning up on the weekly. The problem is a little bit volume is dropping off. Volume predicts price, so be very careful. Also, that's another warning, and that's the main one. I always look at the stochastic first. Second, I look at the volume. Volume is going down, and stochastic is overbought. So those are the two warning signs I have. Bitcoin broke out though of this descending kind of channel. Bitcoin broke out of it early. Let's see if it manages to hold here and bounce and get volume, or if it fails and comes back in. You can see it more clearly when you measure it out like this. You can see it's a descending wedge that broke out early, or a bullish bull flag. Stochastic overbought right now. My trades are set on the two main supports at 60K. I have one trade set, 60,491 on a pullback. Stop loss 60,000, take profit at 66,000. Risk reward is 13 times, risking $432 to make $5,755. No leverage, 10x over $57,000. And the safer, bigger trade that I have is at 56K for a double bottom bounce there, which I think might be necessary to finish this downward trend and low volume. And that's the bigger trade I'll take from 56,500. The gray line is where my trades open. Red lines is the stop loss, 55,997. Take profit, 73K. Those are the two trades I see on Bitcoin. And if I zoom out my path, I still am targeting my path, this one that I drew. I do think we need to get at least a double bottom, or some double bottom with increased volume, and then we can head up. So I do think it's a fake out right now, and it's pulling back and kind of faltering. Unless some big news comes out, I think this fake out will falter. If you want to trade like you're about to see me do, underneath the video, go down below. Underneath the video, one is the exchanges I use: Bybit, Binyak second, Binance third. Bybit gives you a $30,000 bonus when you use this link. It's my favorite exchange. 2, take the crypto master course. You learn technical analysis, you learn trading, and you get the crypto guru bot in there. And 3, join us in Telegram. There's 9,000 of you, a few hundred of you at any one time online trading. Over on Bybit, I've got no Bitcoin trades open yet. I've got buy orders set at 60,000, 53,000, and so I've got 2 Bitcoin buy at 56,500, 4 Bitcoin buy at 53K, and a 2 Bitcoin, I will close that. 2 Bitcoin buy at 60K, 2 Bitcoin buy at 56K. Let's see how, I want to see what Bitcoin does here. Funding fee is already starting to be positive, so you need to pay money now to hold trades open. I've got Doge buys at 10 cents. I've got Bitcoin buys at 53K, Pocket at 10 cents, World at $3.60. This account 617,000, went to 610 and then bounced back. 622, pulled back a little bit. I'm mainly in cash, 340K in cash. I've got Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin, 65K, MCRT 45K, down 2%, Pocket 36K, down 2%, World 24K, down 2%, Doge 90K, down 2%. Everything is pulling back a little bit, and I'm mainly in cash. And I've got buy orders all down, heading down. So let's see if Bitcoin breaks out or pulls back. Let's go quickly into Ethereum. And let me know in the comment section if you want me to analyze any tickers. Link pumped yesterday on the announcement that they did some partnership with JP Morgan. This is Ethereum. You can see this downtrend line on Ethereum. And you see it's coming to a head. So something is going to happen with Ethereum soon. It's either two things are going to happen. Either we're going to get some kind of nuke, which I think is going to happen actually based off what I'm seeing. I think we're going to get a big drop here. But there's two potentials. Descending trend line usually goes with the trend and breaks out like that. But possibly we can have a breakdown to big support, 2,400. Where I would go long is a retest of this 2,800 support. That's the long I would take. 2,800 stop loss, 2,784. Take profit at 3,300 for a short-term trade on Ethereum. Stochastic oversold on the weekly and the daily now. So looking good to go long there in my opinion. But again, off that strong support. Join us in Telegram. There's 103 of you online. Just in US Congressman Thomas Massey introduces bill to abolish the Federal Reserve, which is amazing. And you can just see everyone talking together, sharing charts. You can see different people sharing information. There's now 103 of you online. This guy made 65% shorting Bitcoin. That's my quick updates in the market. Again, the links are all down below. 1 is the exchanges I use for trading. 2 is the courses. Take them all. 3 is the Telegram. That's my updates in the market. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I'm going to make daily videos on Bitcoin, Tesla. I've been doing it for 4 years now. For free, and you can see my trades and my live trades as I make them right now. I'm mostly in cash, 60% in cash, holding some Doge, Bitcoin, MCRT, Pocket, Uniswap, but mostly in cash, waiting for the low. I was buying a lot in 2020 to 2023. Now I'm being defensive and protecting my capital. Love you all. Have an amazing day. None of this is financial information. You have to do your own due diligence. I'm in seed investor in a lot of crypto projects, more than I think 80 now. So you have to make your own decisions. Consult your brokers. This is my opinions, my trades, and what I'm doing in the markets. And it's for free. You can learn from me. You can take the courses. They're $333 and learn them as well. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.